Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah, part of it. Ah. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some spirit gum remover. I can't, I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower.
Okay, objectively, this is not my favorite makeup look that I have done, but I still have to take it off. There are a lot of layers of tights on my face, and they're squeezing my head and squeezing out the last remnants of a brain cell that I have. I just used all the incorrect words to prove my point. Also, I got liquid latex on my shirt, and now I have to throw out the shirt, which is really sad. Half of these things aren't like really coming off, so I'm just gonna go from the bottom. Oh. But of course that's not it. Ow. Oh, is there latex in my eyebrow? I think there is. The light in my bathroom just turned on by itself and the fan turned on. There's no one in the bathroom. Huh? And I just moved to a new apartment. I'm so happy that all my ghosts came with me and I have foundation in my hair. Ugh. Doing the makeup is always so much fun and I'm always so miserable when I take it off. Anyways, my skin is not really happy right now, but I am mostly clean.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
Let's take off my makeup, dragon edition. Let's start with the ears. This was all one piece, so that was actually really easy to take off. It looks like a little hat. Okay, now the lashes. Taking out the contacts now, so look away if you don't like that. Pinky List Oat Cleansing Balm. This is my favorite part about taking off makeup. It's so satisfying when everything just blends together. Take off my makeup with me, Bowser edition. I am so ready to take this off. This is so heavy and it doesn't even look that good. I'm not really happy with how it turned out. It actually doesn't hurt that bad. Wow, this is the best I've ever looked. Let's take off the lashes and the contacts. I look insane. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, unicorn edition. I cannot talk. My nose is completely covered. I sound crazy. Let's start off with the ears. I literally just glued these to the wig because I was so done with this. The wig. Oh, I got a little bit of glue in it. Okay. Ooh, this hurts. I have a really bad feeling this is gonna rip off some of my eyebrows. Oh, I think the eyebrows are good. Ow, it's in my hair. I look crazy. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Chucky edition. I don't even know where to start. It goes all the way up here. Let's take out the little staples. This is gonna be so gross to take off. Okay, what's next? Let me get my spatula. I did put liquid latex over my eyebrow, so let me do that off camera to make sure it didn't come off. Good news, this eyebrow is good. Oh, I forgot I have this. Ew, how do I even take this off? Okay, I think I can take it off now. Let me do my eyebrow first. Okay, I think that eyebrow is good. So close. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go shower now. This is disgusting.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Do any collectors want this? Because if you don't, I'm throwing it out. Where's my trash can? There it is. Boom. I really love how this makeup turned out, but at the same time, all of my hair, my clothes, my desk, my phone, everything that is in my vicinity is really, really sticky. But I still really love this. If any Hollywood zombie movies need more zombies, I'm like literally right here. Let's do the ASMR. My entire face is covered in everything. Oh. Ew, ew, ew. That was actually really easy. It's sticky. It's And of course, and of course, the nightmare fuel. Give me a second, yeah? And of course, the nightmare fuel. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I am mostly clean. Mwah. See you tomorrow.
Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness. I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss. And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. Ah! The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a flash water, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse, but if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you.
Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Happy almost Halloween. Let's take this off again, because I would like to see again, because currently I can't really see. Honestly, my problem is really easy to solve, because all I gotta do is this. Oh, my poor eyes. They were watering so much, and my phone is falling white. I actually really like how the mouth came out, because from far away, I can, like... Oh, so cool. But I gotta take it off. Okay, wish me luck. Ow. I don't think it was fully dry either, which made it extra gross. Still got some teeth and cotton and whatever else I had on my face left. Undisclosed liquids. Ew. I just realized I had a filter on this whole time. Let's take it off. There we go. The crazy thing is that I'm moving in less than 12 hours, so this is actually the last makeup look I will ever film in my current apartment. Time flies and it's really scary. But I think whatever's happening on my face is probably a little more scary than that. But I am gonna go shower and I love you guys. Mwah, wish me luck with a move. Bye. I was going for like a glam zombie, but I feel like it turned into a regular one instead of a glam one. I don't know what went wrong. I think I just forgot how to look pretty instead of scary. Let's take the filter up. Okay, not as cool anymore. I love my filters. I can't help it. Before I get my hands dirty, let's remove the contacts. I also cut off my nails, which I'm really sad about. I love sacrificing my lashes for makeup. Okay, where do I start? The eye, the eye, the eye. Not the eye, that really hurts. Wait, yes, the eye. It's fine. I gotta get it over with. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that's not my eye anymore. I'm gonna keep going. Never mind. Okay. Oh. Not bad. I kind of want to keep the teeth, but they don't seem very clean. I'm gonna throw them out. Also, I honestly can't believe that we're almost halfway through October. Why does time fly so fast, and why does this water not stop? There we go. But this is it for this look, and mwah, I hope you guys have the best day or night. Probably night. Mwah.